Let me show you how to connect BigQuery to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and run a full ads performance analysis across every platform you spend on. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose BigQuery from the available platforms to start the connector setup. BigQuery uses a service account, so click I am an admin from the setup guide. Choose the project you want to use, click Create Service Account and name it. In the permission step, give it the BigQuery data editor role so it can read and write your datasets. Also give it BigQuery user. Skip the optional principal step and click Done. Your service account is created. Open the service account, go to the Keys tab, click Add Key, then Create New Key, choose JSON, and download the file. Back in InsightfulPipe, upload the JSON key file to the BigQuery setup card and click Connect BigQuery. The connection is saved. Now copy the InsightfulPipe MCP Server URL from the connection guide page. In Claude, open Settings, go to Connectors, click Add Custom Connector, paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, give it a name, then click Add. The connector appears in your list. Click Connect to authorize it, and you'll see a Connected to InsightfulPipe MCP confirmation. Now write a prompt asking Claude to analyze your ads data in BigQuery. Ask for headline KPIs, a platform breakdown ranked by ROAS, top and bottom 5 campaigns, device and country splits, daily trends, and clear recommendations. Claude queries BigQuery and builds the report. Here is the report. Across 5 platforms and 10 campaigns, spend 30,000, revenue 38,000, ROAS 1.3x, 753 conversions, CPA 39, CTR 2.79%, 764K impressions. Platform ROAS shows Bing on top at 2.5x, Meta and Google near 1.5x, TikTok at 1.0x, LinkedIn near 0.3x. Mobile and tablet beat desktop, and Canada leads the country split with Germany at the bottom. Top campaigns are Google conversions at 3.96x and the 2 Bing campaigns at 3.65x and 2.90x. The bottom is dominated by LinkedIn. Both campaigns sit between 0.25x and 0.36x. Top recommendations. Pause LinkedIn at 0.28x ROAS. Double down on Bing's 2.38x, investigate Google net conversions of 1, apply a negative desktop bid modifier, and shift Germany spend into Canada and Australia. That's BigQuery connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.